This is for Ms. Creekmore's 8th grade math class. So I just want to show you a few of the calculator tips that we've talked about so far in our first week that would be very, very helpful using the TI 30XS calculator. This is the one that we will be using in class every day and on our state test. You can have it in lots of different colors. If you order it on Amazon, then it usually comes in white and blue like you see here. We also have some yellow ones in class, but they all work the same. So let's talk about a few things we need to know. First, our on button is down here at the bottom, so I want to click it on. If I ever need to clear anything, because there's lots of weird stuff going on or whatever on our calculator, you press on and clear at the same time. And that is how you do a master reset. It will clear everything in your calculator and put everything back to its original mode. Also, next, if you are just typing in a problem and you just need to clear something, the clear button is right here. So press clear to get rid of what you just did. But let's say that you had something and you just needed to change one number. Instead of that 6, maybe you needed a 7. So if you need to go over, you can highlight over that number and replace it with the 7 that you needed instead. Another thing that you can do is that if you had one extra number that you didn't need, you can go back and just press delete, and it will delete that. So only that one thing that is highlighted over, and it would leave everything else instead of having to clear the whole problem. So those are a few things that we've learned so far. Also, the negative button is down here beside the decimal. So remember that this is the negative sign and this is the minus sign. So if I needed a -2 times 3, I can type that in, but it's not the same as -2 times 3. Because you see right here where it naturally said ANS, that means answer. Answer is it'll pull the previous question and use it. So make sure that whenever you do that, if you ever see the answer, press clear, retry, and then do it with the negative button. And there you go. Okay? So that's the basics of whenever you're looking at it, here are all your add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Your enter button is technically the equal sign. And so we'll talk about in our next video a few more things that we've learned.